Hello students, let's continue with the chapter 12. In this e-lecture, we will discuss some more word problems of linear programming. Students, read this statement carefully. As per statement, a dietitian has to develop a special diet using two types of food, P and Q. It is given that each packet of food P and Q contains some quantity of calcium, iron, cholesterol and vitamin A. Also, special diet requires at least 240 units of calcium. It means special diet must contain minimum 240 units of calcium. Special diet requires at least 460 units of iron. It means special diet contains minimum 460 units of iron. Also, special diet requires at most 300 units of cholesterol. It means special diet contains maximum 300 units of cholesterol. Students, we need to find number of packets of food P and Q to be used to minimize the amount of vitamin A in the special diet. Let X be the number of packets of food P and Y be the number of packets of food Q used to develop special diet. Students, one packet of food P contains 6 units of vitamin A. So X packet contains 6x units of vitamin A. Similarly, one packet of food Q contains 3 units of vitamin A. So Y packets contains 3y units of vitamin A. Now we have to minimize the amount of vitamin A. So our objective function Z is equals to 6x plus 3y. Students, it is given that one packet of food P contains 12 units of calcium. So X packet contains 12x units of calcium. Similarly, one packet of food Q contains 3 units of calcium. So Y packet contains 3y units of calcium. According to question, special diet must contain at least means minimum 240 units of calcium. So 12x plus 3y should be greater than or equals to 240. Divide both sides by 3. We get first linear constraints 4x plus y greater than or equals to 80. Next, one packet of food P contains 4 units of iron. So X packets of food P contains 4x units of iron. Similarly, one packet of food Q contains 20 units of iron. So Y packets of food Q contains 20y units of iron. Also, special diet must contains minimum 460 units of iron. So 4x plus 20y should be greater than or equals to 460. Divide both sides by 4. We get x plus 5y greater than or equals to 115. Next, one packet of food P contains 6 units of cholesterol. So X packets of food P contains 6x units of cholesterol. One packet of food Q contains 4 units of cholesterol. Then Y packets of food Q contains 4y units of cholesterol. And according to question, special diet contains maximum 300 units of cholesterol. So 6x plus 4y should be less than or equals to 300. Divide both sides by 2. We get linear constraints 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 150. X and y both are greater than or equals to 0 because number of packets can't be negative. Students, always remember that for at least we use symbol of greater than or equal to, and for at most we use symbol of less than or equals to. Now we have to solve these linear constraints in the same manner as discussed in previous E lectures. First, we require to draw the graph of equations 4x plus y equals to 80, x plus 5y equals to 115 and 3x plus 2y equals to 150 with the help of these tables. Then determine the shading of all the three inequalities and get common shaded region as shown here. This common shaded region is known as feasible region. Then mark the corner points of this feasible region as L, M and N. Next, find the coordinates of these corner points. Students, you can identify the coordinates of point M and N directly from graph, but we need to solve the equations 4x plus y equals to 80 and 3x plus 2y equals to 150 for the coordinates of L. Next, find the value of z at each corner point. At the point L, value of z is 228. At the point M, value of z is 150. At the point N, value of z is 285. So, z is minimum at the point M. Hence, the amount of vitamin A will be minimum if 15 packets of food P and 20 packets of food Q are used in the special diet, and the minimum amount of vitamin A will be 150 units. Next question. An aeroplane can carry a maximum of 200 passengers. A profit of rupees 1000 is made on each executive class ticket and a profit of rupees 600 is made on each economy class ticket. The airline reserves at least 20 seats for executive class. However, at least 4 times as many passengers prefer to travel by economy class than by the executive class. Determine how many tickets of each type must be sold in order to maximize the profit for the airline. What is the maximum profit? Students, we need to find number of tickets of each type, executive and economy class, to be sold in order to get maximum profit for the airlines. So, let the airlines sell X tickets of executive class and Y tickets of economy class. Profit on one ticket of executive class is rupees 1000. So, profit on X tickets of executive class is 1000x. Similarly, profit on one ticket of economy class is rupees 600. Then profit on Y tickets of economy class is 600y. As objective is to get maximum profit, so Z equals to 1000x plus 600y. Now, according to question, aeroplane can carry a maximum of 200 passengers. So, x plus y should be less than or equals to 200. Also, it is given that airline reserves at least 20 seats, means minimum 20 seats for executive class. So, x should be greater than or equal to 20. It is also given in the question that passengers prefer to travel by economy class, that is y, is at least 4 times of passengers prefer to travel by executive class, that is x. So, y should be greater than or equals to 4x. Also, x and y both are greater than or equals to 0. Now we have to solve these linear constraints to get those values of x and y for which z is maximum. So first we draw the graph of equations x plus y equals to 200 and y equals to 4x with the help of these tables. X equals to 20 is a line passing through the point 20 and 0 and parallel to y-axis. So we draw it directly. Next, determine the shading of all the inequalities and get common shaded region as shown here. Then mark the corner points of this shaded region as A, B and C. Next, find the coordinates of these corner points. In this question, it is easy to identify the coordinates of these corner points from graph itself. Here, coordinates of E are 20 and 80, coordinates of B are 40 and 160 and coordinates of C are 20 and 180. Next, find the value of Z at each corner point. At the point A, value of Z is 68,000. At the point B, value of Z is 1,36,000. And at the point C, value of Z is 1,28,000. So, the maximum value of Z is 1,36,000 at the point B. Therefore, 40 tickets of executive class and 160 tickets of economy class should be sold to maximize the profit, and the maximum profit is rupees 1,36,000. Students, I hope that you all have understood how to solve statement questions of linear programming problems. For more practice, try to solve questions of miscellaneous exercise. Thank you.